Hello guys. Uh, it's me, Oil Drop. It's totally me, Oil Drop, original. I swear. Look, my hand is black, so that's mean I'm Oil Drop, right? My other hand is black too. See. I'm go to real life because I have a freaking purple hat which hairs. You stupid oil drop. This is hairs from this venture camp. You stole them. Oh, shut up. Shut up. But this is true. No. Also, you don't original oil drop. I am. No. Fine. Here I am. Original oil drop. But why you're Korean? Cyan, you idiot in English. And I am blue. But why? Um, I have some bucket which blue color, and now I'm blue. Yeah, I'm blue. Da do dee da do die. Okay, stop. But why you stole the Dan from this venture camp hairs and hat? Well, I'm just really love this guy. Okay. Also, wanna joke? Sure, I guess. Knife. Okay, guys, now I get the purple hat and some hairs and go to a zone and gonna sell this hat for no, this is not rubles, this is dollars. Yeah, this is dollars, not rubles, yeah. I'm also gonna sell these hairs because I can. Also for not rubles, dollars, okay? I gonna get the money for BFBP camp because I need. Yeah.